Are you searching for an affordable and near ready for occupancy lots in Nuvali with breathtaking views of Mount Makiling, Tagaytay Ridge, Laguna de Bay, and even the Makati skyline? Then this might be the perfect property for you. Welcome to Aberdeen Estates, Nuvali. Hello guys, this is me again, Steve Singson, your property expert and one of the senior sales managers from Ayala Landscore Residential Business Group. I am currently here at the clubhouse of Aberdeen Estates, Nuvali. I remember 5 years or 4 years ago when we launched this subdivision, putikan pa lang ito, hindi pa kayo makapunta sa area. But look at now, almost patapos na ang ating subdivision and we only have limited lots left na pwede pong i-offer sa inyo. So what is Aberdeen Estates, Nuvali? Aberdeen Estates Nuvali is a premium residential subdivision inside Nuvali developed by Ayala Land's premier sister brand, Avida Land. This means you're getting Ayala quality on a more approachable and practical investment level. What I like about the project is it's designed for people who want a quiet, secured, and nature-oriented community without being too far from the city conveniences. And take note, Nuvali is not just a location, it's a master planned eco-city, meaning everything here is organized from residential areas, commercial zones, business district, school, leisure area, and even the future developments inside Nuvali. Now, let's deep dive into the details of Aberdeen Estates Nuvali. One of the main highlights of this project is its low density. Meaning po, konti lang kayo makakapitbahay, hindi crowded yung buong ating subdivision. Kapag po Avida, may mga categories po tayo ng ating subdivision. The entry level is Village. Nag-iisa lang po yun sa Avida, ang pangalan, Avida Series Village, kung saan po ako nagstay before. The middle segment is Settings. Ito po yung middle category po ng mga subdivision po natin sa Avida. And the most high-end is Estates, kung saan po categorized si Aberdeen Estates Nuvali. Meaning po, sa lahat ng Avida subdivisions, ito yung pinaka-high-end natin. Malaki yung mga cuts, premium yung amenities, and mas exclusive po ito since konti lang po kayo magkakapit-bahay. We launched this subdivision noong 2021 and ang target completion niya is by 2026. And yes po, this coming March po, tapos na po ang ating subdivision. And good news sa mga unang buyers natin, nag-start na po tayo ng turnover ng ating mga lots. And for those buyers who are still looking for near ready for occupancy lots in Aberdeen Estates, Nuvali, who still have limited lots here na pwede pong i-offer sa inyo. Let's talk about the construction update of this subdivision. The first one is the land development. Yung percentage of completion po natin now is about 98.85%. And matatapos po ito this coming March 2026. For the clubhouse, it's already 100% na po yung completion natin. And for the swimming pool, the percentage of completion is 98.74% and matatapos po ito ngayong February 2026. Para ma-feel nyo naman kung ano na ba yung construction update ng ating subdivision and gaano kaganda yung ating amenities, let's explore our clubhouse para makita nyo po kung ano na po yung natapos po dito. Tara, samahan nyo ako. Ito po yung clubhouse natin. As you can see, done na po tayo sa landscaping dito. Pinapag-grow lang po natin yung mga plants. But of course, pag nag-turnover tayo sa mga buyers natin, sobrang ganda ng itsura ng ating clubhouse. So as we enter the clubhouse, yan po. Para din siyang Hillcrest Estates Nuvali, na kapag papasok ka dito, may mafe-feel kang parang sound na nasa hotel ka. Para more relaxing lang yung vibe ng ating clubhouse. And dito sa loob, kung mapansin nyo, malaki yung open space dito, sobrang maaliwalas since mataas po ang elevation ng ating subdivision. Habang pinapaganda po natin yung clubhouse, currently naglagay muna po tayo ng parang lona to protect lang po yung ating tiles para hindi lang po siya magasgasan. Diretso lang po tayo. So ito po yung ating open space ng clubhouse. Dito sa area yung ating swimming pool. But before tayo magpunta sa ating swimming pool, pasok muna po tayo sa ating function room. Tara po. Ito po yung ating function room, no? Ang kagandahan dito sa estates natin, naka-enclose po yung ating function room para of course, pag may mga event kayo, makakagamit po tayo ng aircon. So maluwag po siya, it can accommodate up to 200 packs pag may mga events po tayo. And kagandahan dito, you have the prime view of the pool here. So imagine may events kayo dito but sobrang ganda ng view mo sa part na to. Since yung ating clubhouse po is all glasses po yung paligid sa kanya. Sige po, puntahan naman po natin yung ating pool. Ito naman po yung ating pool area, no? As you can see here, we have the adult and kiddie pool. Wala pa siyang water ngayon, no? But kagandahan, pagkatapos to, surrounding the swimming pool natin, we have the 1 hectare open spaces hanggang dun sa dulo. Ang kagandahan dito, not just the pool area, we have here the parking spaces for the visitors, landscape garden, jogging path, and meron din po tayong basketball court dito sa ating amenities. And para ma-appreciate nyo po yung construction update ng subdivision na ito, especially sa mga buyers namin, no, kay Aberdeen Estates New Valley, I'll show you the drone shots of this subdivision. And for the availability of this subdivision, no, sobrang konti nga lang po. For the house and lot, sold out na po tayo. And for the lot only naman po, may mga konting available pa tayo. Starts at 158 hanggang 222 square meters. For the lot only, you can build your own house as long as the design is modern, contemporary, and earth colors para nag-blend na siya together with the nature. When it comes to the height restrictions, no, it should be 9 meters po from the highest tip of your lot hanggang roof. So technically, pwede ka pa talagang mag-third floor. Sa timeline naman po na magkapatayo ng bahay, no, ang kagandahan, at least you have your investment started here in Aberdeen Estates New Valley. Hindi po nagmamadali ang pagkapatayo ng bahay. And since natural ang elevation ng mga lots dito, no, mayroong mga side hill, may mga uphill, you are allowed na maglagay ng half basement parking. The payment term of our available lots, no, are still 24 months to pay. Imagine, no, patapos na po ang subdivision, dapat nasa 12 months or 6 months to pay na lang siya. But maganda ma-take advantage natin habang mahaba-haba pa ang ating payment term. And to know more about our availability sample computations, you can send me a details to my Viber, WhatsApp, iMessage. That is +63961 462 2138. You can also follow me sa aking Facebook page, that is The Property Expert, Ayala Land by Carlos Steve Singson. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be updated to our upcoming videos. Once again, this is Steve Singson, your property expert in Novani.